One of the UN's targets in eradicating extreme poverty and hunger is to achieve full and productive employment and decent work for all. In the present global economy, this challenge primarily comes down to connecting people who have the resources and the will to work with those who need the services. The infrastructure for this kind of connection is already in place. Mobile connectivity in emerging countries has exploded in the past several years, creating new opportunities to employ people previously excluded from the global marketplace. Since intelligent, motivated, underemployed people all over the world are already connected to the global network, what lacks now is a venue in which they can apply their abilities to the countless challenges that confront the world every day. We believe that a phone-centric platform, which we call ThoughtSoko, can make this happen. The name is a combination of thought and the Swahili word for marketplace, and we believe this marketplace can empower intelligent people to support themselves and their families in a challenging and rewarding way. Here's how it will work. An individual or corporation posts a challenge. For example, a European advertising executive needs a slogan for an international campaign. Instead of creating an internal team for brainstorming the problem, she posts her challenge to ThoughtSoko with a specified reward and deadline. People from all over the world can then view her challenge and begin considering solutions. These thinkers then post their ideas to the public domain to be voted on by others on the ThoughtSoko platform. The executive then selects the solution which best meets her need, and the reward is distributed to the thinker whose answer was chosen and to those who voted for the chosen answer, with a small percentage collected by ThoughtSoko. Building this concept into a far-reaching, sustainable, empowering platform requires some novel approaches. First, only a fraction of people in emerging countries have smartphones, so the platform will need to allow access from feature phones, which generally run a limited number of simple apps. So an ultra-low data version of the ThoughtSoko app will be available. For users with most basic phones, the platform will also be accessible via an SMS interface using rapid SMS technology developed by UNICEF. Second, while online bank accounts and PayPal work well for users in developed regions, the large population of unbanked users will rely on alternative methods of payment. For example, thinkers will be able to redeem reward money as airtime for their device, which has become a popular substitute for currency in developing countries. Lastly, because ThoughtSoko will be a free marketplace, its scalability is practically limitless. That means that countless people, from the hardworking mother with a part-time domestic job in Nairobi to the senior citizen in Boston with a fixed income, will have access to challenging, decent work, and the world will be one step closer to full and productive employment for all.